Was happening, y'all? It's your boy named Matthews, and I'm back with another one. Did have my shave already. Just turning on the camera real quick to show you guys the little finishing touches that I do. Already did the neck and all that other stuff like that. I was going to go ahead and finish it up, but I have been meaning to make this video for you guys because I tell you guys how to do what I'm going to show you and never actually showed you. So what I'm going to do is actually replace the blade in a straight razor here. There's actually one in there already. I switched the camera lenses so it ain't gonna really zoom in. But anyways, y'all might be able to see it slightly. By the way, man, this watch that was sent to me, still rocking it, man. Go watch the video about this watch if y'all ain't seen it. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this blade out. The way you do it is there's a little guard thing here. Pull the guard up. And if you look at the side, again, you're not gonna be able to see. There's a little split thing here. You kind of just split it in half. And I'm gonna try to do it so it doesn't fall out, but it still stays in frame. Usually I just do this over the trash can and then just unlock it and it falls right out. There we are, holding it. So yeah, then it just comes apart and boom, the blade is right here. So you see half of the blade in there. You guys might be wondering, how do you get half the blade in there when the pack actually comes with a full blade? I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see the shadow through it. Yep, you guys can, because I can see it in the lens. Anyway, so it's a full blade. This would only actually fit into a safety razor. You would put the whole entire thing into a safety razor. Fits perfect. Now when it comes to a straight edge razor, the straight edge razor only accepts half of it. So the way you want to do that is while it's still in the pack, guys, just give it a slight bend. And I actually have one, like one that I could use right here, but I actually want to show you guys on camera, so I'm not using it. Anyway, so you do this, you bend it slightly in half, and you just put some force on it until you hear it snap. Listen. So once it snaps, boom, there's two halves now. Go ahead and unwrap it. Matter of fact, since I showed you guys this one already, I don't want to waste, for the dude that laughed, he said, "You one cheap brother." Hey, you right, man. You don't know how much money I saved on my car insurance by switching to BeardGang. But anyways, check this out, man. So anyways, in the actual pack, you're going to have two in there. Open this one. There's one left. And I'll show you guys as well how to load it in. So you want to be careful. Because the first time I used or even tried to use a blade, did slice up my hand pretty good. Didn't hurt at all, but still some blood was drawn. I'm gonna show you guys here. It's on the wrong side, so I'm gonna have to switch it around afterwards. But there's two little notches on the corner here. What you want to do is just set these little guides on those notches. And just set it on the notch. Is it on there? Yep. So it's on there good enough to hold itself on there. Slightly pull it, and boom. And you definitely want to make sure it's in there evenly before you lock it into place. Otherwise, you could cut yourself. That's a question for you guys too. All of you guys that shave, I meant to ask this as well with the safety razor. So with the safety razor and with a straight edge blade, if you guys prefer to be bald, or if you prefer to have a super crispy line, why have you not gotten yourself a straight razor? And why have you not gotten yourself a safety razor? I really would like some answers. Like, I want to know like what the majority of you, like your reasons for not doing that, because as I told you, no matter what other tool you use, you're not going to get as close of a shave as this. Like, this is a bare blade. Like, this blade is very, very, very thin, so it can get real up close on the hairs and cut the hairs like very minimal to give you the extra crispy line. So is it because you guys are scared that you're not giving it a shot? Do you guys prefer to go to the barber and have them do it? Is somebody else doing it for you, like your wife or something like that? What is your guys' reason, and when are you gonna take that leap to get started? Because I was scared as well. You guys don't, if you watch my earlier videos, I've been on here, this channel, I think it'll be 3 years this year. A few months I'll have this channel for 3 years. If you guys see my first videos, everybody was recommending that I use a straight razor and a safety razor and all that, and I was like, nah, I'm good. I'm gonna keep using some clippers and just buzz it real low. And I tried to use like some trimmers to do it real low on my head and stuff like that before, and I stopped doing that reasons because you'll dull out your blade. Anyways, I finally took the leap, learned this. Of course, I cut myself in the beginning, which you guys will too. But look at me now. Now I've got a lot of people watching me on how to do it when not that long ago, I was just like you guys, not knowing how to do it. So if you've thought about buying a straight edge razor or a safety razor, just go ahead and do it. You don't have to do it perfect. And speaking of perfect, man, shout out to Darius Lumpkin, who did make a video recently pretty much telling people to just pretty much just have the best beard that you can grow, guys. Everybody has imperfections. I have imperfections as well. I show them to you guys every now and then. This video is not dedicated to that, so I'm not going to zoom in on my slow spots or my odd spots or whatever. But yeah, all of us have something that's going on with our beard or with our head or whatever. So just do the best that you guys can do, man. You don't got to do it all perfect. And it kind of actually shocked me when I made the video recently, when I said I was going to fade my beard and I messed up, and then I ended up fixing it on camera. And it didn't even turn out that great, but a lot of people said they pretty much respected me for not, you know, like deleting that video and trying it again when it came out super perfect, because I guess that's the stuff you guys need to see. My stuff is not perfect. I give you guys videos probably once a week, twice a week, if that. I mess with this beard stuff and grooming and this beard oils and balms. I do this every single day. It's routine. I just don't record it because I don't think everything needs to be recorded. But then again, I can see how you guys are influenced when we do upload, when, you know, the line is super crispy. I don't really show you guys when I mess up the line and I don't upload a video for 2 weeks because I'm waiting for it to grow back and fix, you know, an area that I messed up in. But it definitely does happen. So for you guys that just think everything has to be perfect, man, just go ahead and get started. Don't be scared, man. You can actually save a lot of money. You guys don't know how much money I've saved to like teaching this stuff to myself. And there's plenty of other things I would like to teach myself in life, to be able to save money, one including cars. Like I said, I know nothing about them, but we're gonna get there, man, because that's pretty much where I've been getting, I won't say ripped off, but where I could save some money and I can't because I have to give the job to somebody else that knows what they're doing. So I wish I knew. So something that I can teach myself very easily, and I don't have to worry about my car breaking down or something, you know, when I'm speeding. I don't be speeding, guys. Don't be speeding. I don't know why I said that. But anyways, this is something you can learn, and you know, at your own pace. It don't got to be perfect. Anyways, let me do it. I'm gonna stop talking or whatever, and I'm gonna show you guys this quick little lineup. Again, check out the little fade. I'm gonna zoom in a tad bit. This camera don't zoom as close, but anyways, I did fade my beard a little bit, slightly. And there's that side there. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this blade again. My face has just been kind of oily due to the oils and stuff I put in my beard. It's kind of just like on there, so I've been kind of doing this dry. Now I have noticed, and I've been noticed, just I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but doing a dry shave is that's how you get the super crispy line, because the hair is like staying super still. It's not moving around with all the moisture that you put and all the oils and stuff like that. And that's another reason why when you go to the barber or see pictures of a barber doing a lineup, you always see that white line. Now, some of you guys might think the barber is drawing that line on, like for example, when I use the Cut Buddy, but a lot of that is like, it's dry skin that's flaking off or whatever. And that's why they be wanting to keep that on the picture too, because it make the line look extra sharp. But when you wipe their face away, it goes away, and sometimes it don't be as crispy, but definitely crispier that way. Versus when you do it with oils and stuff on your face and putting all that shaving cream and on there and all that. But anyways, let's go ahead and knock this out real quick and see what we come out looking like. Now when I come in this area up close over here, did mention this before, but I have a little mole right here. So I always think it's hair and the line does not look as crispy in the corner. So that's when I end up turning the blade from like this going down to go in the opposite direction, so I can get in there just a tad bit without cutting too far into the skin, and kind of hold it a little different than normal as well, but you still get the job done. And I think that's a pretty decent lineup right there in the corner. My eyes kind of going cockeyed a little bit, and the way I'm holding this blade, the light is shining off of it, making it hard to see. So I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead, but I think the line came out good. Y'all know me though, I'll be trying to keep doing it until it came out super perfect. Then I'll end up messing it up. So we ain't gonna mess with it too much on that side. I think we got it good. So now I'm gonna hit the other side. Bad thing is y'all ain't gonna really be able to see it. Or maybe y'all will. I'll try to stay like this. Always want to make sure you stretch the skin out too. But don't overstretch the skin, because what happened to me one time is I overstretched the skin and I made that line super perfect, and as soon as I let my skin go, the line ended up being crooked. So I was lining it up too perfect while the skin was like that. Made a super straight line, let it go, and then that line jumped down even further. So learn from my mistake there. There you see it, line coming out looking nice. Now I'm gonna hit it up close towards the mustache here. Make sure this is looking spiffy as well. I gotta get up close to do the mustache here. So y'all ain't gonna really be able to see this. Or maybe you will, because it's the wide angle. And there it is. So I think I'm done. Halfway cross-eyed here. But I think I did a decent job. And I actually didn't even wait that long for my beard to like grow actually crazy. I just did it just because I just felt like it. But as you guys can see, that's the line right there. That's a little slight fade. Mustache came out decent. I cut the top of it. I told you guys before, I don't really cut it too much on the inside no more. But I am definitely thinking about trimming the beard down. And I also even thought about, I highly doubt I'm going to do it, but I ain't even going to tell you. Never mind. I'm going to just cut that part out the video because it ain't going to go so well if I tell y'all. Anyways. Yep, so that's it for tonight, guys. I just had to do a quick little fix up for the beard. Stay tuned. I got some other stuff. I think I want to switch up this channel just a tiny bit, not too much. Definitely going to have the grooming beard stuff still coming to you guys. But I appreciate you guys as well for clicking on when I upload some music and stuff. Sometimes I know that this channel is not for that, so some people dislike the videos right off the bat because the topic is not about my beard or shaving or whatever. If that makes you guys feel better, thumbs down the video. By all means, do it as long as you click on the video, throw a view on there or whatever. But I'm still gonna do it though, either way, because I have fun doing other things and I just like to showcase it. If you want to watch it, go ahead and watch it. If you don't, skip past it until you see something in the thumbnail with a beard. But with that being said, man, I just appreciate all you guys for subscribing and for resubscribing if you unsubscribed. I've been seeing my numbers go up and down, by the way. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. Stay tuned, man. I got some more stuff coming for y'all when the time comes. So yeah, peace.